Welcome to Best Choice. The best silver polish is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who cherishes their silverware, jewelry, or decorative silver pieces, as it breathes new life into tarnished items, restoring their original luster and shine. This remarkable solution works by gently removing oxidation and grime, preventing further tarnish, and leaving behind a protective barrier that keeps your silver looking its best for longer periods. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or simply want to maintain the beauty of your cherished possessions, a quality silver polish is an indispensable tool in your home care arsenal, ensuring that your treasured silver items remain a dazzling reflection of your good taste and attention to detail. Number 5. Weiman Fine Jewelry Cleaner Liquid. Bring back the dazzling shine and brilliance to your cherished gold, platinum, and precious gemstone jewelry. This gentle formula effectively removes dirt and buildup, making your pieces look like new. Cleaning your fine jewelry is simple. Just place your items in the tray, let them soak for up to 30 minutes, and use the included brush for any stubborn spots. A quick rinse and buff will reveal their restored sparkle. Over time, everyday products can dull your jewelry's luster. Our cleaner works in minutes to remove these residues, restoring your treasured items to their original, like new condition. You can confidently use this cleaner on a variety of precious gemstones, including diamonds, sapphires, rubies, emeralds, and topaz. It's designed to be safe for these valuable stones. This specially formulated cleaner is gentle enough for your most delicate pieces, including wedding and engagement rings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. It effectively cleans without causing damage. Please note that this product is not intended for silver jewelry. For those items, we recommend our specialized Weiman Silver Cleaner. It is also not suitable for porous gemstones like pearls or opals. What we like. This cleaner is designed for fine jewelry, making it ideal for gold, platinum, and diamonds. If you have delicate pieces with precious gemstones that need a gentle yet effective clean, this is the perfect choice. It restores that like-new sparkle without harsh chemicals. What people say. It leaves them shiny, with no residue. It does not damage the surface. It is easy to use and gentle on my jewelry. This jewelry cleaner works great on diamonds, gold necklaces, and earrings, just hard metallic jewelry. It comes out sparkly and clean. The product is easy to use and the results are professional looking without having to go to a jeweler. I also love that it's a 2-in-1 clean and shine formula, so it saves time and works fast. Number 4. CONNOISSEURS Premium Edition Extra Large Polishing Cloth. Introducing the CONNOISSEURS Premium Edition Extra Large Polishing Cloth. This ultra-soft fabric is designed to bring back the brilliant shine to your silver jewelry. Our easy 2-step dry cleaning system polishes your silver to a high luster. It effectively removes tarnish and helps prevent future buildup, keeping your pieces looking their best. First, gently rub your jewelry with the lighter inner cloth to remove dirt and activate the anti-tarnish shield. Then, use the darker outer cloth to buff and polish for a truly brilliant finish. These convenient polishing cloths make it easy to keep your jewelry sparkling like new. They are perfect for use at home or when you're on the go. CONNOISSEURS is the world leader in jewelry care. We believe taking care of your cherished pieces should be simple, which is why our products make it easy to maintain their beauty. We offer a complete range of solutions to keep all your jewelry gleaming. From rings and necklaces to earrings and bracelets, we have what you need. What we like. This polishing cloth offers a unique 2-step dry cleaning process specifically for silver. If you're looking for a convenient way to remove tarnish and prevent its return, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for quick touch-ups or a deep polish to keep your silver gleaming. What people say. Great product, the polishing cloth will leave your silver jewelry with an amazing shine. Works as advertised and does its job very well. Use the white side to polish your jewelry and the pink side to wipe off any potential residue from the reaction of the polishing agent with your silver jewelry. Works great for minor surface scratches and for removing tarnish. It is very soft and has a large surface area. You will see the gunk coming off your ring as you clean, which helped me feel like it was doing good work. This removed all the really noticeable tarnish from the silver wires on my earrings. I was surprised at how easily and quickly it worked. The cloth still looks clean and should last a long time. Number 3. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. Introducing the Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. It's designed to tackle fingerprints, grease, and water spots, leaving your surfaces gleaming. This award-winning kit includes a powerful spray, convenient wipes, and a polishing cloth. Achieve a streak-free shine while creating a protective barrier against future smudges. Worry-free cleaning for all your stainless steel appliances and surfaces. Its non-abrasive formula is safe for every finish, ensuring no scratches or dulling. From refrigerators and ovens to outdoor grills, this kit is your go-to solution. It's perfect for maintaining the brilliance of both indoor and outdoor stainless steel. Achieve a perfect shine with our easy, no-rinse process. Simply spray, wipe with the grain, and buff for a flawless finish. This comprehensive 3-piece kit provides everything you need for complete stainless steel care. It includes wipes for quick touch-ups, a generous spray, and a reusable microfiber cloth. What we like? This 3-piece kit provides comprehensive care for stainless steel surfaces. If you have appliances, sinks, or grills that are constantly smudged and dull, this product is for you. It not only cleans but also protects, leaving a brilliant, streak-free finish. What people say. It effectively removes fingerprints, smudges, and streaks, leaving surfaces shiny and polished. The application is easy, and the finish lasts longer than expected. Easy to use and works well at removing fingerprints, grease marks, and does not have a sticky residue. Scent is not obnoxious. Dries very quickly. It works incredibly well, removing my kids' fingerprints from all of our stainless steel appliances and drying streak-free every time. Number 2. Weiman Jewelry Polish Cleaner Wipes. Introducing Weiman Jewelry Polish Cleaner Wipes. Achieve a brilliant shine on your cherished pieces with ease. These convenient wipes are designed to effectively remove tarnish. Restore the luster to your favorite jewelry in no time. Perfect for a variety of metals, including silver, gold, brass, copper, and aluminum. Keep all your precious items looking their best. Our formula is gentle on your jewelry but tough on dirt and tarnish. Enjoy a safe and effective cleaning experience. Each container holds 20 wipes, providing ample cleaning power for all your jewelry needs. Maintain their beauty for longer. Don't let time dull the beauty of your antique silver and gold. These wipes help preserve their intricate details and shine. What we like? These wipes are a fantastic solution for on-the-go tarnish removal from various metals. If you need a quick and easy way to clean silver, gold, brass, or copper jewelry without a mess, these wipes are ideal. They are perfect for maintaining the shine of your mixed metal collection. What people say. These wipes got the pieces looking new again. The difference was dramatic. It was so satisfying to watch each piece come back to life. Highly recommend this product. And so easy to use. Worked great on my silver bracelets and my chains, came out nice and sparkly. Easy to use, just wipe with the cloth, it gets sudsy and then rinse off. Number 1. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Tired of dull, smudged stainless steel? Discover the ultimate solution for a brilliant, streak-free finish that lasts. It's designed to make your appliances look their best with minimal effort. Keep your surfaces looking pristine with our advanced anti-fingerprint formula. It actively repels smudges and marks, ensuring a clean look all day long. Enjoy a spotless appearance without constant wiping. Don't let grease and water spots ruin the look of your kitchen. This powerful cleaner cuts through tough grime, restoring the natural luster of your metal surfaces. It works effectively on even the most stubborn messes. Achieve a perfect, polished look without any frustrating streaks or sticky residue. Our formula dries quickly and leaves behind only a beautiful shine. Experience a truly clean and smooth finish. This versatile polish is safe to use on a variety of metal surfaces. From appliances and sinks to grills and chrome fixtures, it provides a protective and beautifying layer. Trust it to care for all your metal needs. Get double the cleaning power with this convenient 2-pack. Keep one for your kitchen and another for your garage or outdoor grill area. It's the smart choice for maintaining the beauty of your stainless steel. What we like? This spray and cloth combo is specifically formulated to tackle common stainless steel issues like fingerprints and water spots. If you're tired of constantly wiping down your appliances and grills only to see streaks, this product will provide a lasting, clean finish. It's perfect for maintaining a pristine look on all your stainless steel items. What people say. The cleaning cloth is soft and durable, and it effectively removes tarnish without scratching the silver. It leaves a brilliant shine on my jewelry and is easy to use. I love how it restores the original luster of my silver pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.